The alphabet. Something that we all use in our daily lives. You know, we learned it as a kid, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. And now, I am implementing that into my August of 2025 challenge. How am I going to do that, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. Michigan cities. There are a lot of them. I have decided for my August challenge, I'm going to run one 5K in one city per letter. So, 26 cities, 26 5Ks, 130K total. Across 4 days. When are these 4 days? Next weekend, Saturday to Tuesday. I strategically broke up my work week next week and beyond so that I could do this. Saturday to Tuesday. In a crescendo of total amount. So day one, 4 cities total. I'll get to them. Day 2, 6 cities total. Day 3, 7 cities total. And then day 4, 9 cities total. These cities are in order. Stay with me. Ann Arbor, Brighton, Chelsea, Dexter. That's day 1. It's more of the local to me day. Day 2 is more of a kind of central Michigan day. South Central. East Lansing, Flint, Grand Blanc, Holly. Those last 3, all in a row, going from north to south, which will be convenient. Then I go down to the suburb of Detroit, Inkster. Never ran there. Never ran in a lot of these places, but never ran there. Should be interesting. Then go back, across 94 to Jackson, finish it up there. That'll be Sunday night, next Sunday. Day 3, so Monday, the 18th. The west side of the state, more like southwest. Kalamazoo, Lawton, which is a small town that I did not know existed until I started looking at maps of Michigan. M, Matawan, near Lawton. N, Niles, which is, right near the Indiana border, near South Bend. Never been there in my life, so it'll be interesting. O, Otsego. P, Plainwell. Those 2 are right back to back, right north of Kalamazoo, or right next to each other, neighboring cities. And then Q, Quincy. I believe that is the only Q named city in Michigan. Then, the final day is the northern Detroit suburb, including, northern Detroit suburb and Thumb Day. Starting with Royal Oak, Sterling Heights, Troy, Utica. And then I go up to the Thumb in the small town of Vassar, which is way up there, kind of near Bay City, Saginaw. And then come back down to Waterford. Do the 5K there. Then there are no cities in Michigan that start with the letter X. So I was like, how am I going to get around this? I looked up X, starting with letter X cities in the U.S. Turns out there are not many. I think the only one was Xenia, Ohio, which is near Cincinnati, which I'm not willing to drive that far, just to be honest. So I was like, what can I do? Are there any cities that have the second letter in their name being X? And Oxford popped up, which is near Waterford, which is convenient. So Waterford to Oxford. Then Yale, which is a small town in the Thumb. Then all the way back over to Saginaw to Zilwaukee. And that will be the last city. I'm not sure how difficult this one will be. It looks like it's going to be warm. I mean, mid-August, so I was expecting it to be not cool. Hopefully not as warm as this weekend. But I am very, very excited for this one. Mainly because like half these places I've never been to, and even less I've actually run in. I really think like Ann Arbor, Chelsea Dexter, East Lansing, Jackson like a couple times, Kalamazoo a couple times, Royal Oak a couple times, and then outside of that, really all these places I've never either been to or ran in. So that's what I'm most excited for. It will be a lot of driving. I'll probably do the entire thing by myself, but that's okay. With, fuel along the way. But be looking out for that next Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It'll be quite the journey. Yeah, I'm guessing that I'll be quite tired by the end. I mean, in the last 2 days, I'll be getting like 49-ish total. So it won't be like light, I'm not doing just a mile. It is a full 5K, which is enough to like get me tired. And then driving to the next spot, we'll see how it goes. I anticipate that I should be able to complete it. But it's more for the adventure of going to places I've never been and expanding the heat map for all you heat map Strava fans. But yeah, that's really about it for the August challenge. It's going to be a good one. I firmly believe that. Can't wait for it. And yeah, you'll be seeing it next weekend. I'm about to run my final run of this week. It's been a hot week, but thankfully only 7.3 to go. And then we're at the 100. And yeah, see you later. Next weekend, Saturday morning, Ann Arbor run. See you then.